All right, guys, a quick update on Bitcoin because we are now sitting at 88,000, and it touched down here on this trend line, and then here, and then here, and it's very crucial that it doesn't drop further. Okay, it can still go down like 75-ish, and technically won't invalidate the Elliott wave theory. But let me just show you on the daily chart. You can see this trend line that we have right here. It goes back here, had a touch there, had a touch there. This is in September of this year, last year. And then it started here in October of 2023. So this is a good trend line, and it's touched on it right now. I mean, it can go through, but I would love to see a big bounce off there too, which I think we will see. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see this green dot being printed right here. That's a very, very good sign. Okay, when you get this deep anchor wave right here, and you get a green dot right there, there is a very high chance of the price moving up. So it's because of the green dot on the weekly chart, and because we're sitting at this trend line right here that it's touching bases with, and it seems to hold for now. But again, this market is so manipulated. Like, I've never seen anything like it. It's wild, which is why I've been trading gold lately. But anyways, I believe that we'll see a bounce off this. We can go to the daily chart, and here we see, look at the money flow is coming out, nice, fairly nice curvature. And right here, I expect them to see some in a few days, some green. I mean, it could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, but then hopefully be able to see some green going up. So that is what I'm seeing. And the same thing with Ethereum, with all the other ones. I mean, it all comes down to Bitcoin. What will Bitcoin do? Let's look at Ethereum real quick. For Ethereum on the weekly chart, we have now, it's an anchor wave, and it's printing a green dot right here, but then you had a red one here, which is a little concerning on the weekly chart. And it doesn't look like it looked like it wouldn't surprise me if it comes further down. But again, it depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, I believe Ethereum will go up as well. But looking at this is not that great. Yeah, I mean, we're still in red right here. I mean, we could get a bounce. I think if Bitcoin goes up, I think we'll see that for Ethereum too. Solana, XRP, I mean, we're all in the same place now. Solana, we see here is, down 125 now. But I believe we'll see some movement upwards soon if Bitcoin can do it. Let's look at the XRP. Same thing. Let's do on the weekly that we got in the green dot. No green dot. No green dot either. Waiting for that green dot. And then, that'll be amazing. I just want to see one big final push. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum will make new all-time highs, but I could be wrong, and it's looking more like I'm wrong. But I know we'll get a push up here. I'm very sure that. See that green dot printed? This is for Bitcoin. But the question is then is like, how high is going to go? Is it going to make new all-time highs? Or is it just going to kind of come up like that, form a head and shoulder, and then just crash hard? I mean, I don't think it'll come that low to 40,000. But anyways, you see what I'm saying? Like, it could go like way to the moon, or it could go like this and down. But right now, we will see a bounce, I believe, because of that green dot being formed. So this is very exciting. Hopefully, this would be one last push up, and it's just so manipulated because of all the exchanges, the market makers, and Wall Street is involved now. So it's all this craziness is happening, and there's just very little regulation as well. So it takes these things to sort these things out. I get it, but that's why I've been trading gold lately. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. We're sitting at 87,000 for Bitcoin, and I think we're going to see it pump pretty soon, and hopefully it'll go to the moon.